DeFi use cases are currently on the race because we have wallet abstraction, so people can onboard easier into the DeFi applications. Either it's like poly markets or non-custodial wallets, or it's like specific trading consumer application. So users can onboard easier because of Privy, because of Turkey and other guys that are doing the wallet abstraction, social logins, etc. And I think the next obvious step for all of those projects and different use cases is to enable users to move money on chain from their bank accounts. That's where we see ourselves in the middle, and we're playing a crucial role probably for specifically non-crypto people that don't have cryptocurrency. They don't have accounts on the exchanges or any other crypto platforms. So for us, it's super important to give them the best UX, abstract all of the complexities, and onboard them on the flight. Like within a couple of minutes, they'll be able to move money in and out different ecosystems across the chains, and basically enable on top different other use cases like spend cards. So it will drive retention to those crypto platforms, and at the same time create new appealing use cases for the users to stay on chain.